this. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Like, what the hell? There was a super earlier, now this. My fucking god. Was getting in alignment. You guys remember this place where the wheel flew up in the air and all lots of crazy stuff here, but yeah. That car looks really good on the Style 32s. I just can't wait to throw the exhaust on and whatnot. I'm probably gonna try to get that done before the weekend. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Today's Thursday, by the way. But yeah, quite a few things to do. But you know. As you guys can see, the front bumper is off, and I bought some paints. If I don't remember if I recorded at Advanced Auto buying the paint, but yeah. So you see right here, I'm trying to sand, and for some reason nothing's really happening. So I'm rubbing and I feel, and it's kind of weird. So I get some acetone, I put it on there, and you can see right there, this is smooth and this is gritty, and I figure out that this thing has one layer of Plasti Dip. If you know anything about Plasti Dip, it won't really peel off. Like, it's extremely hard to peel off with even 3 layers, but one is nearly well, it is impossible. Literally, I would have to like just, I don't even know. So I'm gonna see what I can do about this, but yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to get a new front bumper because this will probably take hours to remove. Like, yeah. And I know you can leave like WD-40 on it, but it's not working. So yeah, probably gonna have to get a new front bumper. More stuff to add to the list. And I don't know if I recorded when we were at Town Fair, but I couldn't get in alignment because all the front end stuff are all, you know, like rusty and stuff. So I'm just gonna have to buy like a refresh kit. It's probably like 150, 160 bucks. I may just end up doing like the control arm spacer, e36 front control arms, and then the regular e36 I forget what it's called, tie rod, because if you put the spacer you don't need the E90 tie rod, but yeah, whichever happens. So gonna look into ordering that stuff, and I just ordered a couple more things, one day shipped, so I should have my intake boot and my Porsche 803 bath, and then my 3.5 inch cold air custom intake setup should be hopefully getting shipped today, but the guy, he wasn't too responsive, so I'm not sure if he's going to be able to ship them today. But yeah, whichever, I'm going to see if I can get that one day shipped as well, and if I can, then I'll be able to do the M50 manifold thing, because I'm also about to order the M50 manifold swap kit right now and see if I can get it one day shipped. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. So some packages came. Boom. You see the 2 boxes right here. So I'm gonna unbox them. Okay, so the box doesn't say anything on it. Let's open this. And this one is the Porsche MAF, the Porsche 803 MAF. It's 3.5 inches. Boom. Porsche MAF. And then this one is you guys can see the Mishimoto packaging. This one is going to take me 2 hands to open, but give me a second. And this one is the 3.5 inch intake elbow, and it has the 2 ports right here because they're vehicle specific. So as you guys can see, give me 1 quick second. You guys can see 3 of the parts that are necessary for really good NA mods. Big bore throttle body, 3.5 inch elbow, and the Porsche MAF. The Porsche MAF, it's not only is it 3.5 inches, but it's good for tuning. So yeah, so these 3 things provide an insanely high amount of airflow, especially if you have a cam. Plus I'm doing the M50 manifold, and I'm most likely going to get and as I was thinking, I'm probably going to get the cams as well and hold off on turboing for a couple months. Enjoy the car NA with extra power. I'm going to do the exhaust that I have and whatnot. So yeah, these 3 things, they were all for a decent price. This was 70 something. It was really a really good price for that. This one is $100, and this one was also like 100 or 120. Everything shipped. I paid for 1-day shipping for these 2 because I'm trying to have the M50 manifold kit put on tomorrow, but hopefully these people send it so I can get it tomorrow. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. Well, it says that something got delivered, so let's see. Oh, something did. Alright, hopefully this thing will, here we go. This clip is probably going to be a little terrible just for the simple fact that the camera keeps changing its orientation. But yeah, so some hardware here. Kassel Performance, or Kassel, however you pronounce it. The adapter, which may need to get bored out a bit. Clamps. This thing. I believe this is just like some vacuum hose stuff. And then like the main hoses for the bottom of the manifold. So yeah, if possible, I'm going to see if my boy is able to do my M50 manifold swap today. And we'll be all set. Big bore throttle body.
Little boy.
Little baby throttle body. Yeah, because like the inside is like honed out, but it'll do something, especially when the boost comes. Yeah. definitely not. My God. Damn, that thing is hungry now. Yeah, shit. Yeah, I can't wait to do the exhaust too. That's gonna make this thing
sound nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And account for all the air that's coming in.
Yep. And that was fast. I just wanted to see how it would react.
Damn.
It'll get better with more miles too.
Yeah.
It'll learn how to.
Yeah, because it has to teach itself.
Pulls pretty hard.
Definitely, yeah. That shit is crazy.
I mean, obviously you'll feel it when you drive it. Choke second.
Right? I was like, damn, I heard the little bit of spin. That's crazy.
I just want to see how it would do after a little beating.
Alright, so to conclude the last part of this video, gonna just show you guys new manifold and the fat lip as opposed to the really tiny one. So the front of the car looks so much better. I just need to probably clear up the headlights and fogs, get clear corners. M3 mirrors should be here tomorrow. I'm running this open for now. Cold air intake should be here, and another MAF with some wiring so I'd be able to put in the Porsche one. And then, yeah. Oh yeah, gotta lower the front as well. That should be all. Besides, like, you know, regular maintenance stuff. But besides that, car is definitely coming together. And the M50 manifold looks so much better than the little dinky M52 one with the little baby holes that are like that big. So, yeah. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.